Not gonna lie, but getting to the gym feels like a workout before the workout, packing your clothes, grabbing your water, fighting traffic, hunting for parking, and by the time you finally walk in, you're already exhausted. Okay, let's be real. The hardest part about staying consistent with workouts is making it happen. Between kids, work, life in general, it's just pretty hard to get to the gym nowadays. But that's exactly why I got this. What I loved right away is how simple this thing is. I set it up in minutes, and when I'm done, I can just fold it up and slide it out of the way. It doesn't take over the whole house, which is perfect since, you know, I've got toddlers running everywhere. And look at this. It's powerful but quiet, which means I can hop up whenever the kids are taking a nap or even while I'm finishing up emails, all without waking anybody up. The running belt feels pretty spacious, not cramped up or anything like that. Feels very natural. And it's got this 6-layer cushioning that's so easy on my knees and joints. Honestly, it just feels safe and comfortable for me. And if I want to push myself, it has 12 incline levels, so I can go from a light walk to something that really gets my heart rate up, all without leaving home. For me, it's about squeezing movement into the day. Even if I only have 20 or 30 minutes, I can jump on, get a workout in, and get right back to mom life or work. No traffic, no waiting for equipment, and no excuses. So if you're looking for something that makes it easier to stay consistent, this treadmill is the one. THERUN treadmill. It's convenient, and honestly, it makes working out doable again. And the best part is that I can actually work, scroll, or even catch up on my favorite show, all while staying active. And let's be real, sometimes it's crowded and smelly and everything needs a deep clean before you can even start. But now I ditched the gym hassle. And I love that I cannot make any excuses, not even having my kids around me, because I can literally use this in the house when they're napping or even when they're up. I have it inside the house, I can move it around, I can do whatever I want. I also love that when I'm done, I can easily store it. No hassle and no problem. I don't have to stress a gym trip or even a membership. If you've been struggling to stay consistent, trust me, I get it. I'm a mom of 2 toddlers, so my energy is constantly low, but there's no excuses now. I think this is your sign. Make it simple, make it fun, and make it yours. And if you're a mama like me, you can get back to work, back to your task, even back to your kids as quick as you want. This has literally changed my life completely. I can't believe I'm back on track finally. I can't thank THERUN enough.